కొన్ని క్షణాల్లో కళా తపస్వి కె విశ్వనాథ్ రాష్ట్రపతి చేతుల మీదుగా దాదాసాహెబ్ ఫాల్కే అవార్డు అందుకోనున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
किए जाते हैं। इस वर्ष ये सम्मान मशहूर फिल्मकार काशीनाथुनी विश्वनाथ को दिया जा रहा है। जोरदार तालियां।
A director of par excellence and a brilliant screenwriter, Kasinatuni Vishwanath is believed to have made a significant number of 95 feature films and 26 short films under the banner Hindustan Films in barely 15 years. Can we please have the AB for this year's Dadasaheb Phalke Award winner, Shri K. Vishwanath.
And I'm still here in front of you to tell you how fortunate I am to belong to a wonderful creator of cinema who in his own realm is not only just a mere director, but I think an acharya who puts beautiful, simple truths of human existence on celluloid, and that is Mr. Vishwanath.
Kasinatuni Vishwanath was born in 1930 at the threshold of sound era of Indian films. It could not be a mere coincidence that he joined the film industry as a sound recordist, for cinema had to pave the way for this great master who chose to tell his stories with the sound of music. Without too much of a delay, destiny spotted his talent, and K. Vishwanath became a film director.
Then I made one film called Siri Siri Muva in Telugu, which is later made as Sargam. So from then onwards I switched on to music and dance as the main criteria for my themes.
I feel that Vishwanath Ji is my guru. When Vishwanath Ji narrated me this Siri Siri Muva, I thought of it, oh my God, how I am going to perform and all. He given the strength and he made me to do this kind of a character.
Whatever love I have for these fine arts, which God has not given me, I want to fulfill those hidden wishes of mine through my characters, through my characterization. That's how these characters are born. That's how my music is born. That's how these dances are innovated.
Cinema became a vehicle for him to convey his feelings and concerns for his fellow human beings. Even while upholding the values of our tradition, he never hesitated to criticize society for inequality and injustice. Not with heavy slogans, but with a subtle flow of music.
That your song situation must be integrated with the main story.
He got a special feeling, special respect for the women.
As the audience begged for an encore, cinema could not just keep him behind the screen, so Vishwanath became an actor par excellence. Nearly 6 decades of creative pursuits, awards and accolades. Prolific nature of his work never affected the quality of his films. Without losing track, without losing purpose, he walks tall like a yogi, making us proud of our culture, making us proud to be Indian.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ श्री के विश्वनाथ जी, हम आपका यहाँ पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं।
We request the Honourable President to come forward. Thank you, sir.
श्री के विश्वनाथ जी दादा साहेब पुरस्कार से सम्मानित होने वाले भारतीय सिनेमा के एक लंबी फिल्म यात्रा का अनुभव रखने वाले महान फिल्मकार श्री के विश्वनाथ जी।
I'm sure we'd all like to hear what K. Vishwanath sir has to say at this legendary moment. Requesting you, sir, to say a few words.
ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనాలు. On this very auspicious occasion of receiving this prestigious and coveted Dada Saheb Phalke Award, I offer my pranams to my parents who are there, and to Almighty who is everywhere, to His Excellency the President, Honorable Minister, and all the jury members who are right here, and to all of you, to all my fans everywhere in India. Sarve Janas Sukhino Bhavantu.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद श्री के विश्वनाथ जी। एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई।
May I now request the Honourable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, to please come and address the audience.
परम आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय श्री प्रणब मुखर्जी जी और केंद्र सरकार में मेरे साथी, मेरे सहयोगी कर्नल राज्यवर्धन राठौर और केंद्र सरकार में इस विभाग का सचिव श्री राजीव गाबा, जूरी का सभी सदस्यगण और सभी पुरस्कार ग्रहीता और आज इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में आए हुए सभी बहनों और भाइयों, I feel it's an honor to be present here and addressing you all at this occasion of the celebration of Indian cinema, which is a religion of all religions in our nation. It's a religion of all religions. There is a saying which goes as following: cinema is the reflection of life with all boring parts cut out.